Big news from OpenAI today. So they've just released Sora. Sora is a video generation model, and today we're going to be taking a look at how it works, what it does, etc. You can see some previews of it here, and you can see this is kind of like a video editor where you can plug in your prompt, select whether you want portrait or landscape, how long you want it to be, and we'll be looking at some of the examples that it can create later in this video. Now, this was literally just announced a few hours ago. So Sam Altman announced this on Twitter. He said we're launching Sora today, and we made a new product to go with it. If you have an OpenAI Plus or Pro account, you can generate videos, anyone can view them, and this is just rolling out as you can see right here. So pretty wild right there. New stuff, exciting times, and here's what the website looks like. So if you go to openai.com/Sora, these are some of the examples that Sora have released. Obviously they're going to just show the best stuff, but it's pretty cool. Like, some of this stuff looks really wild, very realistic. I'll show you some other examples. It's almost like a Hollywood style. I mean, like, some of this stuff will be quite hard to tell if it's actually AI or not. Now you can actually click on these videos and then you'll see the example of what the quote is. So you can see, for example, this is an alien in New York. We have whales flying in the sky, and it's quite easy to like sort of remix and change elements. So for example, you can take a simple prompt and then you can kind of remix it with different prompts over here. So open large doors into a library, replace the doors with French doors, turn the library into a spaceship, remove the spaceship, add a jungle, and replace the jungle with a lunar view. So it's very interesting how you can sort of change the video, mix it up, etc. And for you SEOs who are watching this channel, this could get really wild on YouTube, with YouTube just ranking so well inside ChatGPT, inside Perplexity, inside Google, etc. These are only 20-second clips that you can generate right now, but I'm sure that will expand. They're actually working on something called Sora Turbo, which will generate videos quicker, and I can imagine it's kind of like ChatGPT 3.5 when that first came out. It was very limited compared to what you can do now, but the videos look absolutely awesome, and you've kind of got these like Hollywood style clips that you can piece together. So for example, like this is a timeline. You've got a vast red landscape with a docked spaceship, then inside the spaceship, and then you've got a detailed close-up of the actual astronaut, and you can combine multiple videos into one clip like you see right here. So for example, you got this clip, and they're actually combined into one. There's also a bunch of presets. So you got style presets such as cardboard and papercraft, archival, film noir, so like black and white, and original style as well. Now you might be wondering, okay, how much does this cost? Do you get access? Can you get free access? That sort of thing. So this actually seems really limited at the minute. You've got ChatGPT Pro, which is $200 a month, and obviously you get access to ChatGPT Pro with that. I've seen all the YouTube comments complaining about how it's $200 a month for my latest videos, and you can see that the Pro includes unlimited generations and the highest resolution for high volume networks, right? Now if you are using ChatGPT Pro, and it's quite smart what they've done here, so they've kind of bundled Sora access directly with ChatGPT to sell $200 per month subscriptions. So you get up to 500 priority videos with 10,000 credits, unlimited relaxed videos up to 1080p resolution, 20-second duration, of 5 concurrent generations. Also, you can download your videos without the watermark, and if you are on the ChatGPT Plus subscription, which is only 10% of the price, right? So ChatGPT Plus is $20 per month, ChatGPT Pro is $200 a month. The Plus subscription includes up to 50 priority videos, right? So 1,000 credits, 720p resolution of 5-second duration. So obviously the duration of the video is much shorter, and then additionally, it seems like you'll still have a watermark on it from what I can see. So on the Pro package, you can download without watermark and you get 1080p and you get 20-second duration. On ChatGPT Plus, you only get 720p, 5-second duration, and you've got a watermark. Pretty limited and free. You're not even in the game, mate. I don't think you can even get access to it. So I can see they're really pushing like the paid plans. You might be saying, okay, Julian, you've got ChatGPT Pro. Can you show us some examples? Let's try and log in right now. So I know they've just launched a few hours ago. If we actually go to the login page on Sora.com, you're like, right, let's get going. Let's get this crack-a-lacking. I've spent 200 big ones. I can't wait to try this out. Big announcement, etc. Let's click on login here. Continue with Google, and here we go. We're in the game, all right? So I'm going to log in here. We're setting up the plan. So you can see I'm subscribed to the ChatGPT Pro plan, and this is everything that you get. So we're going to click continue, set up the username, and here we go. So let's play the quick video introduction, see how it goes.
Welcome to Sora. Let's get started by creating our first video. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the composer. This is where you can write in text to describe what you want to see in your video.
We'll pause it there, but basically you can see how you can plug in a prompt and then you can select everything. So I can't wait to try this out. Let's have a go, see what's popping. The UI is pretty nice, to be fair, not gonna lie. And what we can do is we can change the resolution. So if we select 1080p, it is 8 times slower. They don't mention that on the ChatGPT Pro Plus plan, but this is, you know, when something new gets released from ChatGPT, the servers get overloaded. I actually couldn't log in previously. When I checked this, it's amazing that whilst I'm recording this video, I can get access. So I'm going to just select 480p for now, and then we can select the aspect aspect ratio. What's interesting about this, right, is like for YouTube long form videos, it's not going to be great, but for actual shorts, it could be quite good. So if we select, for example, some of my most popular videos ever, these are like 20-second clips, right? And you can do that with Sora. Now, I don't think you get an AI voiceover as far as I'm aware, but you can upload an image and you just have to click all these boxes right here and just agree to the necessary rights, etc. Hit accept. Then you can select a preset. So you've got, for example, balloon world, stop motion, archival, and cardboard. You can select the resolution. Let's see what we got here. You can create 4 different variations at once as well, it looks like, and you can storyboard it as well. So inside the storyboard, I guess you can select what happens step by step, which is really cool. There's so much amazing stuff you could do with this. Let's see what we got. So I'm going to plug in here monkey playing a banjo with elephants breakdancing in the background. Now we'll hit enter like so, just see what that generates, and it's added to the queue there. So we can put this timer on, actually see how long this takes, just to see what sort of timing we're looking at. Bear in mind, like 480p is the fastest it's going to do it. Now here's the other thing that's pretty wild. So for the EU and the UK, you can't get access to Sora. So Sora have released a list of supported countries. If you're in these list of countries, you're okay, but you can see here United Kingdom is not on there, and the same with the EU, which is massive, really, isn't it? Like that's a big part of the world that's actually excluded from using Sora. I'm guessing that's down to regulations and that sort of thing. So we've got the videos at 95% ready. Let's have a look, and that's taken us 1 minute 42. So it's going to take about 2 minutes to generate those videos. Maybe if you just generate one, it's kind of stuck on 99%. I was getting ready to check out. Let's refresh the page, see where we're at. I mean, one thing I would say is like if you don't have access to this, or you don't have ChatGPT Pro or whatever, one thing I would say is like the first day any of these sort of OpenAI updates come out, they're usually pretty slow and pretty buggy. So I wouldn't feel like there's probably going to be a lot of people out there with massive FOMO. I wouldn't worry too much. Like it's going to be buggy. Here's an example of what we generated. So it is 480p, as you can see. That actually took about 2 minutes 40 to generate one single video, kind of like a Disney film that's generated the style. But it is impressive that you can do that. I mean, they're not breakdancing. I'll let them off. You can't have everything, but we do have a monkey playing a banjo. Let's have a look at the features. So one of the things that you can do actually, if you create these videos, you can actually share them. So if we go to sharing options, copy the link, and these are all published as well. You can share these with people, show people what you're creating on the internet, etc. So you can add your own images and videos and then create videos around those, I believe. This is the worst it's ever going to be. Imagine what's going to happen to YouTube and video in general, and even films, when this can be like 30 minutes long, 1 hour long, right? Whole Netflix episodes long. Going to be quite interesting for sure. So let's have a look through the feature. We've got a monkey on rollerblades, and here's the other thing that you can do. So you can actually recut this, you can remix it, you can blend it, you can loop it, etc. So, and also you can see all the prompts behind it. So this is on the feature tab. It's not my video, but we can actually scroll through and see, okay, what prompts have been used to create this, and then we can learn how to create our own videos based on that, right? So for example, if we click on remix like so, we'll say make the monkey rainbow color. I don't know, everyone's gone monkey mad today. We're all creating videos about monkeys. And then you can see here, actually, you can create different settings on the remix. So you can say like a strong remix, mild, subtle, custom, and that's going to be in 720p. So I can imagine that's going to take a lot longer. Like it doesn't even have 1% on it. And then if we go to the recent tab, this must be like the latest stuff that people are creating, right? So you can see everyone's going mad on OpenAI creating stuff like that was literally 1 minute ago. It's pretty cool how it's just shared instantly to the world, right? So like people creating videos, it's almost like a new social media in itself, where people are just sharing their latest creations, and then you can flick through them, you can see who's created them, you can check out the username, and you can see the timestamp on when it was created, which is pretty wild. I like that. No wonder the servers are getting overloaded. This one is pretty cool. Hyper realistic nighttime scene featuring a Mazda RX-8 inspired by Need for Speed. Yeah, that's what it feels a bit nostalgic looking at that. Now obviously this is not the only video generation, so you have some pretty good contenders as well. You got platforms like, for example, Kling are a direct competitor, and they've been out for quite a while. You can test out there, but I think because of the way that ChatGPT are bundling this together, so for example the ChatGPT Pro subscription, it's like you've got everything in one ecosystem, kind of like Apple, where, you know, if you buy one product by Apple, you get the lot, you get the subscriptions, you get Apple TV, etc. And before you know it, you're not buying any other products in that same category. So I can imagine, number one, a lot more people will be buying the ChatGPT subscription, and number two, a lot more people will be staying within the ecosystem of ChatGPT and Sora and ChatGPT Pro, etc. Now if you want to know, okay, what are the other features, so inside Sora as well, you can see you've got like the recut option, so you can actually trim and extend videos. You got the remix option, where you basically describe changes and create new videos based on your previous generation or other people's. You can blend, so you can add transition elements from one video to another, and you can also loop, so you can create a seamless loop on the videos as well. And then also, if you create like something you do like, you can favorite it, you can share that video, and you can download the video in MP4 video format as well. Pretty cool stuff. Let's check out that creation we just made. Let's have a look. So this is the monkey rainbow color, the remix that I created previously. I mean, despite it being a little bit fuzzy, like, it is wild how easy that was. And the prompts are just very, very simple. It's really easy to use. And then if we want to download it, we can just click download like so. And we have our colorful skating monkey ready to go. Now, the other thing to note here is like you can create videos, but you can't add audio from what I can see so far. So like if you wanted to add audio to the files, you'd have to do that yourself, which doesn't make it that YouTube friendly, to be honest, if you're thinking about using this for channel creation. But I mean, this is just a start, so who knows where it's going. Crazy times. So thanks so much for watching. If you want to get access to my free AI SEO Success Lab with 2,100 members, feel free to join. You'll get a free AI SEO course that shows you how to get more leads, traffic, and sales with SEO. You can see all the awesome stuff we have right here. Additionally, you'll get access to 50 free AI SEO tools, including my one-click content optimizer, free keyword research tools, AI SEO content tool, and content humanizer. These tools are worth thousands of dollars. They will save you a lot of money. And additionally, you can get 200 free ChatGPT AI SEO prompts to help you get more leads, traffic, sales based off hundreds of hours of testing. If you want access to all of this, just scan the QR code on this video to get free instant access, or click the link in the comments and description. Additionally, if you want to get a free one-to-one SEO strategy session, feel free to book that in. We'll show you how we take websites from 0 to 145,000 visitors a month and generate thousands of dollars in sales on autopilot. On this free link building acceleration session, you'll get a free SEO domination plan, discover the secrets of link building, or answer any questions you have. You'll learn best link building strategy for your website, plus how to quickly outrank your competitors in link building and how to 10x SEO traffic based on what's working for us. You can see all the websites that we've helped with SEO. So if you want to get more leads, if you want to get more traffic, etc., feel free to book that in and we can help you just like we're helping all of these people right here. Appreciate you watching as always. Thanks very much. See you on the next one. Bye bye.